Hello friends, this is Golf Clash Summer Major Tournament Pro Division. We will see the breakthrough for hole number 7. So for the first shot, we will be using the Katana ball and I have the quarterback 9. I'll be using 3 backspin and 2 side right spin. So here my plan is to lay up short so that I can use sniper for the second shot. Here I am playing with 10% elevation. It is approximately 8.34 rings. So my plan is to use sniper for the second shot because for my grizzly I do not have the developed ball guideline. So it will be beneficial to use sniper for the second shot. So here my distance is around 278. You can have the distance between 278 to 282 yards. Now we will see the second shot with the sniper. I think the response is a bit slow. Okay. So for the second shot, we will be playing with 20% elevation. We'll be using full back spin and 1.5 right side spin. And we will try to find out the funnel. There is a very big funnel. So even if you'll hit great, your shot will be okay. You can see your second bounce is before the fringe. This way you'll be able to find the funnel. And you have to play with 20% elevation. So it will be around 8 rings maximum plus 20%. So if you are playing with the right side, there is a huge funnel that you can use, and even if you'll hit great, your shot will be okay and you will easily get an eagle here. So this is with the perfect shot. Now we will see the second shot with a great shot. So here again I am playing with around 279 yards and I'll be using the full back spin and 1.5 right side spin. You can see I am trying to find out the funnel. My second bounce is just before the fringe and there you go. I have found out my funnel. I'll be playing with maximum plus 20% elevation. So it will be around 6.2 rings. Now here I'll try to hit perfect, but I'll be hitting great here. Left great. And you'll see the ball has caught the funnel and still I was able to get eagle. So this is the shot you can use for an easy eagle for hole 7. Thank you for watching it and please like, share and subscribe.